This is my review of the Trolley Dolly cart. Mine just arrived. I ordered it because I'm now doing some part-time work for exercise and a little extra money doing Instacart grocery shopping, where you shop for other people and deliver to them. So I thought this would be really cute and handy for delivering smaller orders to people. It's really cute. Right off the bat, I really like the fact it's this nice, shiny, smooth fabric that it looks like if I get caught in a little rain, it might not be waterproof, but it certainly looks water repellent. There's a nice little zippered pocket right here. If you open it up, there's a big pouch on the front here. Open this up. Tuck it away. Huge pouch in here. That interior, where I could definitely fit. I could put heavier stuff at the bottom and then stack it up, but it looks like you could at least fit a few bags in here. You can even put gallons of milk down in there. Another little zipper pocket right here, which would be great for putting my card that I used to pay for my Instacart purchases. And then you've got this here that can cinch it tight. So if you've got less stuff in here, you could cinch it tight and keep it nice and closed up. Let's see here. This is just a Velcro strap that attaches it to here to hold the bag upright. And then this is a strap, so you could take this off of here and actually carry the bag. And this strap just goes over to hold it to the trolley. And then there's another big pouch down here. And what I did was I put some Valentine's candies in here that I'll be giving my customers to flatten it down for transport when you're putting it in your car or you're getting on the bus and you haven't yet done your shopping. You just flip this little handle up here, undo that little Velcro there. Then this just folds down. I'm doing this one-handed, of course. And then this, whoops, hold on, try to do this one-handed. That pops closed. And then there you go, flattened down. So this will fit nicely in my trunk before I do my deliveries. And then I won't fill it up with the stuff until I get to the person's house. And then I'll take it from my card to the house in the trolley. But yeah, it's really cute. Looks really sturdy. I've read a lot of reviews that this platform is really nice and solid and strong. And so if I had somebody, let's say somebody just ordered a bunch of cases of canned food, canned cat food or dog food, or a big bag of dog food, and so I didn't really need this, I can easily slide this off of here, and then this just works like a dollar, regular dolly. But super cute. And then again, to get it ready to use, you just flip that back up, latch this over the bar, and see, I'm doing this one-handed, which really shows you how easy it is. Obviously it's even easier with both hands, but just slap that little Velcro strap down there and you are good to go. But yeah, I think this is perfect. It's nicer than I thought it would be. I thought it might be a little chintzy, but no, it's really sturdy and nice looking. I love the color. I got the brown with white polka dots. And yeah, I think this is really, really awesome. And oh, there's side pockets too. Yep, there's a little mesh pocket there. A nice side pocket here. You could even stick a bottle of wine or bottle of booze in there. Would be a nice way to keep it nice and secure. That's perfect. Very cool. Very, very happy. Awesome.
Wait, you haven't seen the best part yet. Here are some amazing offers and specials available for one time only. You can't afford to miss it.